don't skip this video. There is something I actually want to show us from my hand, and that's why I'm trying to do the two together, my face, so that you'll be able to communicate. I'll be able to communicate perfectly to you guys, and also my laptop. Okay. So, and when I tell people that try as much as possible to realize your skills, try as much as possible to realize whatever things that you want to do, because it's going to make you to productive. Now, you want to actually productive on your skills, on things that you have done, and you are not AI, how do I even put it, like you are not AI friendly, it's going to affect you. Okay. Now, for people that used to do, you want to design a gig image, and you see somebody that have actually done a gig image here, and you don't know how, so you don't know how to do it. So here is how you can do that stuff. Maybe, probably, let me see that if you have seen a design that you have seen here, like you like here, it's something, it's pretty simple. It's something that you can actually do as well. Let me try this one. Let me try this, and let me try to, so it's something that I want to do, something that in a situation that whereby, because a lot of people feel like I don't know how to use CorelDRAW, I don't know how to use Photoshop, and the only thing that I know how to use is um is what thing they call that one, that you can, is a drag and drop. Where is this gig image that I've actually seen? Okay, this one. So now, probably you have seen something like this and you like it. So the only thing that you're going to be doing now is for you to just try to snapshot it and drag it, and you're going to drag it to 4. Yeah. So you are going to drag it to ChatGPT. So we're going to be using AI to design this. Perfect. So we're going to be using AI to design this. So let me go to AI and try to, oh, I would have actually drag it like that, but it's not bad. Let me go from here, and then you upload it. So once you upload it like this, so you wait a little bit, and now the picture that you want your, maybe your gig image that you want the, like you want to copy, you can just upload that as well. Where is the, do I have any images here, or which image can I use? Apparently, which image can I use here? So let me use my image here. Now, what you are going to be doing now is you want to tell ChatGPT that please and please help me to, I want to design a Fiverr gig image. I want to design a Fiverr gig image. I've not even done this thing before, although I've done some parts, but I just want you to understand how this thing works. You just tell ChatGPT that help me to design, I want to design a gig image. Yeah, let's continue like that. I want to design a Fiverr gig image, and I want you to help me use my image. I want you to help me to use my picture. I want you to help me to use my picture and place it on this sample of gig image I have attached. So if whatever the service that you are selling, you have to tell ChatGPT, okay, and my service My service, my service is what? Your service that you sell, you need to tell ChatGPT. My service is business plan. Business plan writing. Let's see what is going to give us. Let's see the results. Let's see the results. Let's see the results. Let's see the result that is going to give us. Let's see the results. So, like when I tell people that try as much as possible to realize your stuff, try as much as possible to realize your skills. It is very, very important. You know, it is very, very important. Very, very important, because it's going to help you. It's going to help you to be productive in delivering the high quality services to your clients. You know, these are very, very important things that we ought to actually do. So people are not just going to graphic designer and please can you help me to do this. You can just even see somebody's banner. You can just see any church banner and copy it and paste it and said, okay, this is the title of the team that I want to do. This is stuff. Can you? It's just like sometimes I like there is nothing ChatGPT cannot even do for you. I can just sit down and try to formulate that. Okay, can you do this for me? I want to do this. I want to do this. I want to, and before you know it, boom, already done it. Already done it. That's just the power of ChatGPT. That's just the power of ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to do a whole lot of things. If you are if you can precise, because the difference between cloud.ai and ChatGPT, cloud.ai is more smarter than ChatGPT. Okay, cloudy.ai is more smarter than ChatGPT. Do you know the reason why? If because I'm a fan of ChatGPT. In fact, before I even subscribe to ChatGPT, I've been using ChatGPT. So if you want to tell ChatGPT to do something for you, you have to narrate it like to the smallest. You have to narrate it very, very, so that you'll be able to give you what you wanted. Okay, like this one, this small this thing that I've actually told ChatGPT to help me to do now. It's still very, very small, because I still need to describe that. Okay, I want it to be the size of a fiverr size, this one and that one, before he can be able to prompt me the real things that I wanted. Why is it this thing is taking longer? Why is it taking longer? What's going on? So don't mind me. What's going on? Sometimes that's how I used to feel. Sometimes, So you just have to. I just want to do it like live. If to say you guys have followed me now, if you have followed me now, it wouldn't have been doing all these things. If you have followed me, do I need to refresh? Because this thing is taking much longer. Let me refresh and see. I just want to do it like live, so that we'll all see the result that is going to bring out. We all see the results. Whether ChatGPT is smart or not smart, we go see them. If it were cloudy.ai that I use now, you would have actually seen what I'm trying to say now. And this thing is almost done. 8 minutes. Why? 8 minutes. This is. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's just a little prompt that I give ChatGPT. Look at the results. So you don't need to be telling graphic designer, can you help me to do this? Or I want to go and learn CorelDRAW. I want to go and learn Photoshop. I want to go and learn this. You can do everything on AI. That's why I said try as much as possible to analyze your skills, analyze your productivities, analyze whatever you send to the buyer, so that you'll be able to have a top notch in delivering to buyer. So thank you so much. You can see that I'm sweating. Please try as much as possible to follow me. Follow me. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Freelance Guide. Peace out.